This is an updated video of Astrid and Taz. Ooh. Okay, here's Miss Astrid. There's Mr. Taz. Oh, what you gonna do, Astrid? What you gonna do? Hi, Sugars. Hey, Taz. Oh, whoa! We're like Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh my goodness. Ah, Bubba. Hi, little Bubba. What are you doing, Astrid? Astrid. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy, Taz. Oh, every time. You're like floppy. You're floppy, man. So you get like that and you just roll. Yeah, you just roll. Just roll. Oh, you're so cute. Astrid? Astrid? Alright. Hey, buddy.